When it comes to startup costs, things to take into consideration: the size of your center. Are you going to purchase the building? Are you going to lease the space? How extensive is the construction going to be? Are there going to be architectural design requirements? Are you going to be, adding a little bit more fluff, or is it just going to be a big open box? What type of furniture and fixtures are you going to put into the space? And then how much money are you going to need for working capital to help you during the period of time, which I like to call Death Valley, when you're trying to get open, but it's like you didn't do enough marketing in the beginning, and now it's like a race or a scramble to get new members in there while you're just continuing to spend into the negative, into the red every single month, right? So that's not a good place to be. So the reality of it is how much money you're going to need to carry yourself for those first 3, 6, 9, 12 months. At what point in time do you expect to start breaking even? So these are just things to take into consideration. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.